There's a TikTok page with nearly 1 million followers, and all they post are ancient lifestyle videos. Some of those videos have crossed tens of millions of views, with a few going past 40 million. What's interesting is this isn't just a TikTok thing. The same style of content is performing just as well on Instagram and YouTube. Different platforms, same content, same results. These videos go viral again and again. The reason is simple. They feel real. The visuals look cinematic. The pacing keeps you watching, and curiosity kicks in almost instantly while scrolling. What most people don't see is the work behind it. Usually, creators spend hours writing scripts, planning scenes, generating visuals, fixing inconsistencies, matching characters, adding sound, and polishing details. It takes time, and it drains momentum fast. So I wanted to test something easier. What happens if one tool handles the entire process instead of juggling multiple ones? That's where Katalyst AI comes in. It's built as one connected system, not a bunch of separate tools taped together. You start with an idea or a rough concept, and it turns that into a structured story with scenes that actually make sense. Instead of random outputs, it understands flow and pacing. You can tweak scenes, rewrite moments, or adjust the rhythm without starting over. It feels more like collaborating than prompting. Character consistency is another big issue with AI videos. Faces change, outfits shift, and suddenly the story feels fake. Katalyst avoids that by keeping characters consistent across every scene. Same look, same style, every time. You can even reuse them for future projects. When it's time to animate, everything stays inside the same platform. You can let it generate motion automatically or fine-tune individual scenes. Because everything is connected, the story doesn't fall apart halfway through. Normally, this would take hours of work and fixing mistakes. Here, I had a complete video draft in one session. If you're creating videos, stories, or any kind of visual content, Katalyst AI is worth checking out. Not as a shortcut, but as a way to remove friction and keep your creative flow intact. The link is in the description.